Hello everyone, it's that time of year again when the Tech Insights Labs go full speed on the latest Apple iPhones. We've been patiently awaiting and planning what our teams will need to focus on once we receive our devices, and we are excited to announce we've got our iPhone 16 phones in hand and on our lab tables. So in the next few days and then a few more after, we will analyze the new Apple A18 and 18 Pro application processors. Our RF teams will also be doing their own analysis on what Apple did in the millimeter wave design, namely what happened to the side firing antenna in the new iPhone 16 millimeter wave smartphones. Our image sensor and camera teams will then go deeper into the iPhone 16 cameras, looking for more details on the new Apple Fusion cameras and also take a peek into the other cameras on the iPhone 16 Pro models. Of course, none of these analyses can take place without first tearing down the iPhones. Some teams will jump right in and extract and send the new Apple A18 processors to the lab for further deconstruction, while others, namely the teardown teams, will do their due diligence and perform a more methodical teardown analysis, focusing on the entire iPhone 16 designs with a keen interest to identify all of the IC manufacturer winners in all of the latest iPhone 16 models. Log in to the Tech Insights platform for the latest updates on the Apple analysis and reports, as well as access to the complimentary and exclusive teardown videos of the Apple iPhone 16 in the coming days.